नघा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीरा सश्रिये चामृताय च। सौम्या भगिनी
राम राम
राम राम राम। तत्र अद्य भवती अनुसरणं करोति वा? अहं पाठयामि।
यस सर यस।
अथवारिवर्गः What is the line number?
563.
563. 560 मंडो। भेके मंडूक वर्षाभू।
भेके मंडूक वर्षाभू। भेके मंडूक वर्षाभू।
शालूरप्लवदर्दुराः।
शालूरप्लवदर्दुराः। शालूरप्लवदर्दुराः।
शिलीगण्डूपदी भेकी।
शिलीगण्डूपदी भेकी। शिलीगण्डूपदी भेकी।
वर्षाभ्वी कमठी दुलिः।
वर्षाभ्वी कमठी डुलिः। वर्षाभ्वी कमठी डुलिः।
Can I tell the full line?
Yes sir, yeah.
मद्गुरस्य प्रिया शृंगी दुर्नामा दीर्घकोशिका।
मद्गुरस्य प्रिया शृंगी दुर्नामा दीर्घकोशिका। मद्गुरस्य प्रिया शृंगी दुर्नामा दीर्घकोशिका।
जलाशया जलाधारास्तत्रागाध जलो ह्रदः।
जलाशया जलाधारास्तत्रागाध जलो ह्रदः। जलाशया जलाधारास्तत्रागाध जलो ह्रदः।
आहावस्तुनिपानं स्यादुपकूपजलाशये।
आहावस्तुनिपानं स्यादुपकूपजलाशये। आहावस्तुनिपानं स्यादुपकूपजलाशये।
पुंस्येवान्धुः प्रहिः कूप उदपानं तु पुंसिवा।
पुंस्येवान्धुः प्रहिः कूप उदपानं तु पुंसिवा। पुंस्येवान्धुः प्रहिः कूप उदपानं तु पुंसिवा।
नेमिस्त्रिकास्य वीनाहो मुखबन्धनमस्य यत्।
नेमिस्त्रिकास्य वीनाहो मुखबन्धनमस्य यत्। नेमिस्त्रिकास्य वीनाहो मुखबन्धनमस्य यत्।
पुष्करिण्यां तु खातं स्याद् अखातं देवखातकम्।
पुष्करिण्यां तु खातं स्यात् अखातं देवखातकम्। पुष्करिण्यां तु खातं स्यात् अखातं देवखातकम्।
उत्तमम्। पद्माकरस्तु पद्माकरस्तडागोस्त्रीकासारः सरसीसरः
पद्माकरस्तडागोस्त्रीकासारः सरसीसरः पद्माकरस्तडागोस्त्रीकासारः सरसीसरः
वेशन्तः पल्वलञ्चाल्पसरो वापि तु दीर्घिका
वेशन्तः पल्वलञ्चाल्पसरो वापि तु दीर्घिका वेशन्तः पल्वलञ्चाल्पसरो वापि तु दीर्घिका
खेयन्तु परिखाधारस्त्वम्भसां यत्र धारणम्
खेयन्तु परिखाधारस्त्वम्बसां यत्र धारणम् खेयन्तु परिखाधारस्त्वम्भसां यत्र धारणम्
सो एवं वक्तुं शक्यते खेयन्तु परिखाधारस्त्वम्भसां यत्र धारणम्
साई खेयन्तु साई ओके खेयन्तु परिखाधारस्त्वम्भसां यत्र धारणम् खेयन्तु परिखाधारस्त्वम्भसां यत्र धारणम्
स्यादालवालमावालमावापोऽथ नदी सरित्
स्यादालवालमावालमावापोऽथ नदी सरित् स्यादालवालमावालमावापोऽथ नदी सरित्
तरङ्गिणी शैवलिनी तटिनी ह्रादिनी धुनी
तरङ्गिणी शैवलिनी तटिनी ह्रादिनी धुनी तरङ्गिणी शैवलिनी तटिनी ह्रादिनी धुनी
श्रोतस्वती द्वीपवती स्रवन्ती निम्नगापगा
स्रोतस्वती द्वीपवती स्रवन्ती निम्नगापगा स्रोतस्वती द्वीपवती स्रवन्ती निम्नगापगा
कूलङ्कषा निर्झरिणी रोधावक्त्रा सरस्वती
कूलङ्कषा निर्झरिणी रोधावक्त्रा सरस्वती कूलङ्कषा निर्झरिणी रोधावक्त्रा सरस्वती
गंगा विष्णुपदी जह्नुतनया सुरनिम्नगा
गंगा विष्णुपदी जह्नुतनया सुरनिम्नगा गंगा विष्णुपदी जह्नुतनया सुरनिम्नगा
भागीरथी त्रिपथगा त्रिस्रोता भीष्मसूरपी
भागीरथी त्रिपथगा त्रिस्रोता भीष्मसूरपी भागीरथी त्रिपथगा त्रिस्रोता भीष्मसूरपी
कालिंदी सूर्यतनया यमुना शमनस्वसा
कालिंदी सूर्यतनया यमुना शमनस्वसा कालिंदी सूर्यतनया यमुना शमनस्वसा
रेवातु नर्मदा सोमोद्भवा मेकलकन्यका
रेवातु नर्मदा सोमोद्भवा मेकलकन्यका रेवातु नर्मदा सोमोद्भवा मेकलकन्यका
करतो या सदा नीरा बाहुदा सैतवाहिनी
करतो या सदा नीरा बाहुदा सैतवाहिनी करतो या सदा नीरा बाहुदा सैतवाहिनी।
उत्तमं, धन्यवादः भगिनी। अन्ये केऽपि अभ्यासं कर्तुम् इच्छन्ति चेत् कृपया हस्तं प्रसारयन्तु। We will have 2 more mock tests. So I will be continuing these 20 lines only on Monday. From Tuesday onwards, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Next week, 4 days, Amara Kosha class will not be there. There'll be a separate mail which will be sent, which will have that our class is not there because we are having the Ashtadhyayi tests on those 4 days, and the external judge has given the same timing. Somehow different timing could not be managed. So 4 to 6 in the evening, we have Ashtadhyayi test, which is why we will not be having the Amara Kosha test class from Tuesday onwards. Monday we are having the class. Monday this week, I think I did not come for one day, and this week Monday one class we have missed. So we will practice Vari Varga once again fully on Monday. The week after that, Vari Varga balance, we have only 25 lines to finish the first Kanda, which is the first week, which is the first week of September, 31st. Week of 31st, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by that time, by 5th September or 4th September, we will be finishing the Prathama Kanda by God's grace. So that is only Parayana. Now the meanings of Vari Varga and Naraka Varga are yet to be discussed and has to be told. That will take another 3-4. We will see if we can finish in those 5 days, or it may take 2-3 days extra. So we plan to finish by 4th September. Around that time, the Vari Varga and Naraka Varga meanings and the chanting also. Further to that, by that time we will also go for exercises of Dhi Varga and Shabda Varga, which we have not completed. So we have to do exercises of Shabda Varga and Dhi Varga. That will be done in the week of September 7th. That is the plan. So let us, by that time, if you can just read the exercises of Dhi Varga, and we will finish that. Then we will see which are the other exercises pending, and we will have mock test, or we will start the mock test from 14th and do 1 week full of mock test for Swarga Varga, and we will go for the test on September 21st. Week of September 21st fully will be for Amara Kosha mock test. So again, I have to ask that external judge who is at what time, etc. Based on that, this is the plan. After the mock test, whatever exercises are pending in first Kanda, we will finish that. Whatever doubts are there, we will do one full first Prathama Kanda revision. We will do. And we plan to do that in September fully. We will, by September fully we will try to do the revision and other things. So we will be fully prepared with Prathama Kanda, and once that is done, we can think of the next steps for this class. So by that time, the exercises, any assignments has to be given, all that I will think, and we will discuss that. So this is a time for sharpening the Prathama Kanda. The revision classes are very, very important. So those, please don't miss any of the class. Already 1 week holiday is there. Please enjoy the 1 week holiday by practicing yourself. Let us not miss any classes. So the effort that you have put has to yield effort. So after that, after we finish the test of Swarga Varga, we will announce the test for other Vargas also in parts, and then we will take those tests. So please start studying for the, if you have mastered Swarga Varga, please start studying for the other Vargas also. So it will shortly be held, and in October definitely it will be held. So October 1 test will be there, November 1 test will be there. In 2 or 3 tests we want to wrap this entire Prathama Kanda. So this is the plan. If you have any suggestions, please write to amara.vyoma@gmail.com. we will consider your suggestions subject to all the constraints that are existing. So ideal suggestions can be given. However, we have to work under constraints and certain limitations. So what is practical and what is best for the students and what we can do, we will try to achieve that. But don't think that now anyhow Parayanam is over, I did not attend the class. There will be revisions, etc. Please attend. For those who are interested in meanings, anyhow Parayanam is going on, let me not attend. So Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam are the steps told in our Shastra also. First, we have to keep on listening to the Amarakosha lines. That is the first step in Vedanta. In Veda, anything, any Vidya that you want to do, first step is Shravanam. Shravanam, Mananam, Nididhyasanam. Mananam includes practicing, again repeating, and different ways of avritti, memorizing, etc. All those things come under Mananam. Nididhyasanam is contemplating on the meanings and thinking about why this why this Nadi is called as Tarangini. Oh, because it is having small waves in it. Even though it has, is it because of that, or it is because of some other reason? What is it? Like that, you keep on thinking. Then slowly you will by good Sanskrit knowledge and good Vyakarana knowledge, we can find out why things are like that. So these are the steps in studying anything. Some people say that directly they will say, why don't you tell me the meaning and Vyakhyana, sir? I want to hear only to the Upanyasam and to hear the Vyakhyanam. But the Mula Shloka is more important. The vibration of the Mula Shloka and the words, they only generate that Samipya. See, we have to develop something called Samipya with the word. Samipya is the closeness, the proximity with the Shabda Brahma. The Shabda is also a Brahma. So we have, the moment you tell Tarangini, if you have attended this Amarakosha class, Tarangini, Shaivalini, Tatini, Hradini, Duni, somebody tells us Swardhuni. Swardhuni means Swarnadi. Swarnadi means that Nadi which is present in the Swarga. So Swaravyayam, Swarganaka, Swar is there, Dhuni is there. Swardhuni is Ganga in the heaven. So what is the name for Ganga in the seven? Mandakini, Vyadganga, Swarnadi, Suradhirgika. Like that you can connect everything. So for that you need to hear, keep on hearing, keep on practicing. I'm sure all the students you are all very interested students and you are doing. Today being the festival day also, all of you have made a time to attend this class. I'm very, very glad. I will definitely end the class today very fast after this one, because we have to go for some Gauri Puja. Some people have other assignments. Let us start the practice now. Varun Nanduri. Which one you want to practice? Shabdavarga astu.
Varta pravritta.
Varta vadatu.
Varta pravrittirvrittanta udantasya dathahvayah आख्याह्वे अभिधानं च नामधेयं च नाम च हूतिराकारणह्वानं सम्भूतिर्बहुभिः कृता विवादो व्यवहारस्यादुपन्यासस्तु वाङ्मुखम् उपोद्घात उदाहारशमनं शपथः पुमान् प्रश्नोऽनुयोगः पृच्छा च प्रतिवाक्योत्तरे समे मिथ्याभियोगोऽभ्याख्यानमथ मिथ्याभिशंसनम् अभिशापः प्रणादस्तु शब्दस्यादनुरागजः यशः कीर्तिः समज्ञा च स्तव स्तोत्रं स्तुतिर्नुतिः
धन्यवादाः सुमालता.
Namaskaraha Mahodaya.
Which one?
I want to chant from Swargavarga beginning.
Okay. Arambam karot.
Swaravyayam Swarganakatritivatra dashalayah सुरलोकोऽद्यो दिवो द्वे स्त्रियां क्लीबे त्रिविष्टवम् अमरा निर्जरा देवाः त्रिदशा विबुधाः सुराः सुपर्वाणः सुमनसः त्रिदिवेशादिवौकसः आदितेयादिविशदः लेखा अदितिनन्दनाः आदित्यार्भवो स्वप्नाः अमर्त्या अमृतान्धसः बर्हिर्मुखाः क्रतुभुजः गीर्वाणा दानवारयः वृन्दारका दैवतानि पुंसि वा देवता स्त्रियाम् आदित्यविश्ववसवस्तुषिता भास्वरानिलाः महाराजिकसाध्याश्च रुद्राश्च गणदेवताः विद्याधराप्सरो यक्षरक्षो गन्धर्वकिन्नराः पिशाचो गुह्यकसिद्धः भूतोऽमी देवयोनयः असुरादैत्यदैत्याः।
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः। रामकृष्णन् श्रीनिवासन्।
राम राम महोदय, श्रूयते वा? श्रूयते वा महोदय?
श्रूयते श्रूयते।
दिग्वर्गः अभ्यन्तरं त्वन्तरालं तः अभ्यन्तरं त्वन्तरालं चक्रवालं तु मण्डलम् अभ्रमेघो वारि सनयुत्नुर्बलाहकः धाराधरो जलधरस्तडित्वान् वारिदोऽम्बुभृत् घनजीवमुदिर जलमुधुमयोनयः कादम्बिनी मेघमाला त्रिषु मेघभवेभ्रियम् स्तनितं गर्जितं मेघ घोषे रसिदादि च शम्बा सदहृदाहादिन् ऐरावत्यक्षणप्रभां तडित् सौदामिनी विद्युच्चञ्चला चपला अपि स्फुर्जतुर्वज्रनिर्घोषो मेघज्योतिरिरम्मदः इन्द्रायुधं चक्रधनुस्तदेव रुजुरोहितं वृष्टिर्वर्षं तद्विघाते वग्रहौ समौ धारा सम्पाद आसार इकरोम्बुकणा स्मृताः वर्षोपलस्तु कर मेघच्छन्नेन्हि दुर्दिनम् अन्तर्धौ व्यवधा पुंसीं ध्वन्तर्धिरपवारणम् अभिधान विरोधान पिधाना चान्दनानि च हिमांशुश्चन्द्रमाश्चन्द्र इन्दुकुमुदबान्धवः।
धन्यवाद महोदय।
धन्यवादः महोदय।
Your reading has significantly improved, Mahodaya. Very happy to see that. Significant improvement is there. Confidence is there in your reading. Really happy to see that.
Nice, sir. Thank you.
Dhanyawada.
Thank you. Dhanyawada.
Very well read by Ramakrishna, Sri Ramakrishnan Mahodaya. Padma Mami. Padmaraj.
Namaskara Mahodaya. Can I say Natyavarga?
Varya?
Natyavarga.
Which Varga you said?
Natyavarga.
Natyavarga. Please.
स्याद्य शफ्पटः ढक्का भेरी स्त्री दुन्दुभिः पुमान् आनकः पटः स्त्री स्यात् कोनो वीणादिवादनम् वीणादण्डः प्रवाल स्यात् ककुभस्तु प्रसेवकः कोलम्बकस्तु कायो स्यातुपनाहो निबन्धनम् वाद्यप्रभेदाडमरुमड्डुरिण्डिमझर्झराः परदलपणवोऽन्ये च नर्तकीलासिके समे विलम्बितं धृतं मध्यं तत्त्वमोघो घनं क्रमात् तालः कालक्रियामानं लयः साम्यमथा स्त्रियाम् ताण्डवं नटनं नाट्यं लास्यं नृत्यं च नर्तने तौर्यत्रिकं नृत्ये गीतवाद्यं नाट्यमिदं त्रयम् भ्रकुंसश्च भ्रुकुंसश्च भ्रूकुंसश्चेति नर्तकः स्त्रीवेषधारी पुरुषः नाट्योक्तौ गणिकाञ्जुका भगिनीपतिरावुत्तः भावो विद्वानथावुकः जनको युवराजस्तु कुमारो भद्रतारकः राजा भट्टारको देवस्तत्सुता भद्रतारिका देवी कृताभिषेकायाम् इतरा सुतु भट्टिनी अब्रह्मण्यमवत्
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः महोदय
धन्यवादाः very well chanted. Let us see who all is great. Venu Kosuri, Venu Mahodaya, Venu Mahodaya, please unmute yourself. Hari Om.
स्वर्ग वर्ग mock test कर्तुं शक्यते
Mock test अस्तु अस्तु तर्हि memorizer or chanter reader memorizer or reading
पारायणं
okay so एकनिमिषम् कौमोदकी गदा खड्गः
कौमोदकी गदा खड्गः sorry कौमोदकी गदा खड्गो नन्दक कौस्तुभो मणिः शारंग मुरारेस्तु श्रीवत्सो लाञ्छनं स्मृतम् अश्वाक्ष शैब्य सुग्रीव मेघ पुष्प बलाहकाः सारथी दारुको मंत्री युद्धवत् शनुजो गदः गरुत्मान् गरुडस्ताक्ष्यो वैनतेयः खगेश्वरः नागान्तको विष्णुरथः सुपर्णा पन्नगाशनः शंभुरीश पशुपति शिव शूली महेश्वरः ईश्वर शर्व ईशान शंकर चंद्रशेखरः मृतेश कंठ परुषुर गिरीशो मृडः मृत्युंजय
एक निमिषम् अहं can you read this line विनायको
विघ्नराजो द्वैमातुरा गणाधिपाः
where is विघ्न
लंबोदर गजाननाः कार्तिकेयो महासेन शरजन्माषडानना पार्वती नंदन स्कंद सेनानी रग्निभूर्गुहा बाहुलेयस्तारकाजित विशाखा शिखिवाहना
are you able to hear me sir
yeah
Vinayako can you read that line once more
विनायको विघ्नराज द्वैमातुर गणाधिपाः
so when you are pronouncing see Vinayako Vighna Mahaprana Vighnaraja Dvaimatura Ganadhipaha Mahaprana has to come out very well. First time you told Vighnarajo, it is Rajo is not there. Vighnaraja, that's all is there.
Okay.
Can you now read?
What?
Please read now.
विनायको विघ्नराज द्वैमातुर गणाधिपाः अप्येक दंत हेरंब लंबोदर गजाननाः कार्तिकेयो महासेनः शरजन्माषडाननः पार्वती नंदन स्कंद सेनानी अग्निभूर्गुहः बाहुलेयस्तारकजित विशाख शिखिवाहना शान्मातुरः शक्तिधर कुमार क्रौंचधारणा भृंगी
क्रौंचधारणः you have to close, you have to pronounce the visarga क्रौंचधारणः
शान्मातुरः शक्तिधर कुमार क्रौंचधारणः
श्रृंगी भृंगी
तुंडी नंदिको नंदिकेश्वरः इंद्रो मरुत्वान्
धन्यवादः महोदय
धन्यवाद
अखिला भगिनी
नमस्ते महोदय
नमस्ते महोदय I want to recite Swargavarga from Madano Manmathamara.
Madano, you have memorized, right?
Mahoday?
Memorization.
Memorization.
Okay.
Mock test nasti Mahoday.
Mock test, but you have memorized. But you are telling you are memorized. It is not a mock test, but you are memorized.
Memorized.
Okay.
Yes. Madano Manmatho Mara Pradyumno Meenaketanaha Kandarpodarpako Nangah Kama Panchasharasmaraha Shambararir Manasija Kusumeshurananyajaha Pushpadhanvarati Patir Makaradhvaja Atmabhuhu Shingarayone Shriputra Shupakaratirityati Aravindamashokancha Chutancha Navamallika Nilotpalancha Panchaite Panchabanasya Sayakaha Madanastapanascha Shoshanastambhanastatha Sammohanascha Kamasya Panchabana Prakirtitaha Brahma Survishwaketusya Daniruddha Ushapatihi Lakshmi Padmalaya Padma Kamala Shri Haripriya Indiraaloka Matama Kshiroda Tanaya Rama Bhargaviloka Janani Kshira Sagara Kanyaka Shankho Lakshmi Pate Panchajanyas Chakram Sudarshanam Kaumodagi Gada Khadgo Nandaka Kaustubho Manihi Chapashangam Murarestu Srivatso Lanchanam Smritam Ashwascha Shaibya Sugriva Megha Pushpa Balahakaha Sarathirdharuko Mantri Tudhavaschanujo Gadaha Garutman Garudastarshyo Mainateyah Khageshwaraha.
From Garutman you can tell next time.
Astu Mahoday, I have a doubt in for mentioning time slot. Can we mention the time slot for both of us in the same mail? For Ashtadhyayi.
That is same slot. You want to have the same slot, one next to each other.
Yes, Mahoday.
Avashyam kartum shakya.
Astu Mahoday. Dhanyavadah Mahoday.
Dhanyavadah. Chitra Tyagarajan.
Namaste Mahodaya.
Katamasti bhavati?
218 onwards.
218. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. 218.
Shall I start?
Start.
Dakshinyosvi nityaditara ashvayugasvini radha vishaka pushetu siddhyati sravishtaya samadanishta syuproshtapada bhatrapada striyah mrigasirsham mrigasirastasminnevagrahayani
Ilvala.
Oh, sorry. Ilvalasthashiro deshe taraka nivasantiyaha Brihaspati suracharyo Gishpati dishano guruhu Brihaspati suracharyo Gishpati dishano guruhu Jiva angirato vachaspati chitrashikandijah Shukro daitya guru Kavya Ushana Bhargavah Kavihi Ankaraka Kujo Bhaumo Lohitango Mahisutah Rohineyo Bhutasomya Samo Sauri Shanaischaro Shanimando Pangukalo Chaya Putro Sitorkhajah Tamasturahu Svarbhanu Saihikeyo Vidundudah Saptasho Marichitrum Saptasho Marichastrimukat Chitrasikandinah Rashinamudayo Lagnam Tetume
Rashinamudayo Lagnam
Rashinamudayo Lagnam Tetumesha Vrishadayah. Up to that, sir. Thank you.
Surya Dhanyavadah. I am seeing that many people are raised hands. Ashok Mahodaya, Narayana, Kriti, Surya Vivekananda. I'll just see what question they have. Want to chant Svarga. We will chant for Monday. Arun Kumar Tangavel is there. He always sends mails. That is okay. Radhika Mata. So there are many people wishing to chant Geetika. Monday we will take the chanting. We'll do the practice. Once again, Tuesday onwards for 4 days, Amarakosha class will not be there. Dhanyavadaha. Those who want to come and see the Ashtadhyayi test that is going on, just to understand how it goes on. Somebody who has not who is not there in Ashtadhyayi class but who is there in Amarakosha class, if you still want to come and see the Ashtadhyayi test, you can always come and see the test, because in that mail you will have access to the webinar link. Dhanyavadaha. Sarvebhyah ram ram ram. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु।